You're just pirating a song.
I have to cut that out.
Is your hard drive so backed up? That's a whole 59 seconds of recording.
It's 59 minutes.
My bad.
We need the ambience. So, what if someone on YouTube Googles Borruso ambient sounds for a film, and they need this is the video they're gonna need.
They want this music in it as well?
No, they want the sounds of pizza making.
Dude, look at that. No sounds edition. You
People
guys
are gonna love this.
ready to leave?
Alright, let's get going.
Let's go. Why don't I have a an umbrella from a different restaurant.
Have you seen the new Stone Ocean?
What?
New Stone Ocean?
Can we finish that? I got the gluten free
Good, awesome. Alright, thanks.
Stop this recording.